Hey there, welcome back. Today let's dive into EMIs, also known as Equated Monthly Installments. If you're buying a home, car or gadget, EMIs help break large purchase amounts into manageable monthly payments. But how do they work? Let's look into it. An EMI is a fixed payment you make each month to repay a loan, and it covers two things: principal amount and interest. Principal is the amount you borrowed and interest is the cost of borrowing that money. This fixed payment makes it easier to budget as you pay the same amount each month over the loan term. Loans like home, personnel or car loans typically come with EMI options. Now let's talk about some key features of EMI. The first one is the fixed amount. The amount you pay remains the same throughout the loan tenure, offering predictability. No surprises in your monthly budget. Then comes the payment breakdown. Early on, most of your EMI goes toward interest. Over time, more of it goes toward repaying the principal. This balance shifts as you make payments. Tenure and interest rates are the other features. The EMI depends on three things: the loan amount, interest rate, and tenure. Tenure is the time period you will take to repay. Tenure comes in two ways. A long tenure means smaller EMIs but more interest paid over time. A shorter tenure has higher EMIs but saves on total interest. For instance, if you borrow 10 lakh at a 10% interest rate for 5 years, you will make a fixed EMI payment every month. With each payment, you're gradually reducing both the principal and interest until the loan is fully repaid. This makes large loans more affordable as you can pay in smaller, manageable amounts. I would like to tell you something. When choosing a loan, think about your budget. A lower EMI might look tempting, but remember, longer tenures mean more interest overall. If you can handle higher EMIs, go for a shorter tenure to save on interest in the long run. So that's it for today. EMIs make large purchases manageable by spreading out costs, but knowing how they work can help you make smart financial decisions. So thank you so much for joining us today. Do like and subscribe for more insightful videos like this. See you in the next video.